children, today we are going to make tulip flower by using this craft papers. Okay? We will use Fevicol and scissor. This pink color paper we will use for making flower, and for this green color paper we will use for making stem. So let us start making the tulip flower. First, fold the flower. See, to find out the midline, fold the flower like this. Open it. You got one middle line. In the same way, one more time like this. See, here also you got one middle line. Now fold the flower like this. Okay? Now from the middle line, again you take the second fold like this. And again from the middle line, take another fold like this. So it will become like a flower. Now back side, fold a little. This side and this side also. See, now your flower is ready. Is it clear to everyone? Now your tulip flower is ready. So let us start doing this flower. Let us make stem using this green color paper. First, fold the paper like this. Now you will get one middle line. If you press the paper like this, you will get one middle line. You can see the line. Now, fold the paper again half up to the middle line. Now this side also you fold in the same manner up to the middle line. See, is it clear? Now this downward also you fold like this up to the middle line. And this side also. So like this. Now this much is clear. Now let us start doing up to here.